Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of makealivingwriting.com, and on this website we have found a very informative and very beneficial blog. On blog we are going to read about making money writing. 14 business and entrepreneur sites that pay 50 to $2,000 for writing. Okay, let's see. Want to make money writing about business and entrepreneurship? It's a hot niche where you'll find industry moguls, startups, and innovators hustling to make their mark, generate revenue, and build a brand. And that's a good thing if you are a freelance writer. Right now, Amazon style success is what a lot of people and a lot of businesses and entrepreneurs are trying to replicate in their own niche. From the solopreneur to corporate CEO, they are interested in the day to day stuff about how to run a business more efficiently, manage people, improve product development and customer service, and establish a business model that will be profitable for the long term. If you want to make money writing about business and entrepreneurship, there is no shortage of sites that will pay you to write about it. There are 14 sites that pay writers about 50 to $500 per assignment and cover a wide range of topics in this niche. If you want to make money writing for one of these sites, the study for guidelines get familiar with the site and its large and its target audience and start pitching. Number one, entrepreneurship life. Robert Farrington knows what it's like to work a retail job, deal with in your face customer service issues, make minimum wage, and wish things were different. So he hustled to make it happen, achieved some success, and launched Entrepreneurship Life and several other businesses to help other people. Want to write about your own entrepreneurship journey or report your business branding in entrepreneurship? Pitch your story idea to Robert Farrington. Pay based on assignment. 99 desires. 99 designs. Sorry. Every startup obsessed over logo design and branding, and at some point, almost every established company will plan a complete redesign of its logo, website, messaging, or all of the above. 99 Design founders Mark Harbottle and Matt Mikiewicz, okay, launched the company in 2008, and now it's a hub for designers and entrepreneurs. Want to write for 99 Designs? Tips, advices, and how to design topics are the staple of this site's content. But 99 Designs also covers the business of freelancing, entrepreneurship, and crowdsourcing. Pitch ideas to brand content manager Antonia Zimmerlich. Pay based on assignment. Work online blog. Freelance writing isn't the only way to make money online. That's what Hiroshi or D. Gedigilan discovered when he left his day job as a robotics and automation engineer. After a lot of trial and error, he launched the work at home blog to help other people by providing content, training, and resources to build an online business. Have an idea for a work at home article? Follow the guidelines to pitch your idea, pays $50 per assignment. Then we have number four, I work well. Okay, it didn't take long for grad Harvard graduate Robert Padulo to realize that a lot of companies struggle with hiring and keeping great people. But it doesn't have to be that way. I Work Well blog provides readers with content about how to do just that, along with many other topics related to human resources essential to running a successful organization. If you are not a subject matter expert on all things HR related, you can still write for I Work Well by interviewing someone who is and pitching an idea. pays up to $250 per assignment. Income diary. In today's internet-driven environment, business owners need to know how to leverage technology to be successful, and that's what income diary founder or Mitchell Dunlop aims to help businesses or business owners with that at the moment. At the income diary. We write about creating awesome websites, driving traffic, social media, or making money online, says Dunlop. Okay, number six is starting business. The business consulting practice aims to help startups and established businesses with all the planning, legal requirements, strategy, accounting, recruiting, and investing associated with building and growing a business. Pitch an idea for the starting business library, pay based on assignment. Then we have coaches training blog. If you want to add coaching to your business or turn your industry knowledge into a coaching program or service, where do you start? That's what coaches training blog founder Jeffrey Su teaches people via his blog, videos, courses, and training. Have an idea for a blog post or review about coaching? Follow guidelines to submit your idea, pay based on assignment. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for coming up to the end of this video and learning how to make it possible by writing, making money by writing. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates from my side. Bye bye. Take care.